Yeah.
You're videotaping.
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Oh my god. Oh.
This is bad. I want to see how big these waves are. They're gonna be like this when we get out there and be like, this is realistic. Y'all right there?
Yeah.
Let's try and go up the stairs.
Oh my god. Oh.
I'm slipping on my obnoxious hands.
Oh, wow. This is really difficult.
Wow. I think this is the worst it's been since like months.
Oh my gosh.
My
Like,
legs hurt.
some steps are short, some steps are low.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah. Can't wait to see the waves out there.
Actually, no, I'm ready to go really funny because I'm trying not to slip on my pants. Yeah.
Whoa! One more. Nah!
Huh?
We can. Yeah, it's on the panorama. Whoa.
Yeah, watch your balance. Literally,
Yeah.
It's fun.
after a while, it gets old.
Yeah. I'm kind of videotaping the whole thing.
Look at those waves.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh, these are cool. Then let's get out there.
Let's get out there.
Please don't drop your camera.
I won't. Push. It's a push.
No, I feel stupid. I'm not using that door.
Judy? Fine.
Oh, it's locked.
Oh my god. Just go. Well,
I think they locked the doors. They're stuck out there.
I can get some fans up there. I'm still videotaping.
Huh?
I'm still videotaping.
I can tell. You're holding up your camera.